Hello everyone, it's Monika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm coming to you with my first project in 2023 for Craft O'Clock YouTube channel. I've done two projects for them as a guest designer, but from January until June I will be sharing project as a full design team member, so not as a guest but just a proper design team member. I'm really super excited about this because I love Craft O'Clock papers, and they've got so many beautiful elements for fussy cutting, which I love doing. And it's so easy to create projects because you don't need any cutting dies if you've got beautiful papers, isn't it? So this time I decided to not to do any card or any mini folio or album. So I went for this beautiful MDF heart. I used it last year as well, and I used this MDF heart as my entry, if you remember, for card maker of the year. So it's has sentimental value, and I love this shape, I love this MDF. So I decided to use this collection, which is called Princess Adventures. It's a beautiful collection. As you can see, it has beautiful designs, lots of elements, unicorns, princesses, castles, lots of fantastic things. You will see the full collection and the elements for cutting out on Craft O'Clock YouTube channel, which I'm going to link somewhere at the end of the video, so you can see how the collection looks like. And I actually showed only a little bit of that collection because of course I couldn't use the full collection on this. It's not even a small project because this one is about 25 centimeters tall, so it's a quite decent size of a heart. So okay, what I did, I traced around the heart and I layered it on that MDF, used liquid glue to adhere it, and then I sat down and I fussy cut those elements. And there are so many elements that it took me a while to decide which elements I want to use on this project, but I thought I like the composition so much, and I like that I found this beautiful flower which is matching the dress and it's matching the unicorn as well. So I used a lot of 3D foam pads to create the layers, and to give more texture I used my favorite lace, which is barely visible because it's only here and there. And I use scissor, as you can see, and that beautiful flower and the ribbon which I got from back home as well. So it's really simple project, but it's very effective. And as you can see, I did not use any cutting dies, which is fantastic because it can be done by a person who has only a paper collection, which has nice elements for fussy cutting, and you can create this beautiful piece if you want to. So I hope you like this project, and I hope you will head over to Craft O'Clock YouTube channel. I'm going to link that above somewhere, so you can see how easy it is actually to create a project like this. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.